time you walk into the room, got me feeling crazy, shock my heart, boom, boom. Any other boy would stare, but me, I look away, cause you're making me scared. Trying not to breathe, 1, 2, 3.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good evening. Now I would like to introduce myself. My name is Desi Ratnasari. You can call me Desi or Ratna or Sari, that is up to you. Someone people call me Desi, and someone again call me Sari, and someone again call me Ratna. Yes, up to you. I'm from Surabaya, and now I am in Surabaya. I'm a 2024 actually student majoring in PGSD. I'm very interested in PGSD because because my ambition is a teacher. So I teach PGSD because my ambition is teachers, and I have many hobby. No, not many, but I have 3 hobby. There are the first, my hobby is shopping. Yes, the first is shopping, and the second my hobby is traveling, and the third my hobby is reading. Okay, if I have money, I'm traveling, I'm shopping, and if I don't have money, I'm reading. I'm reading in my home, I'm reading in a library, and I'm reading if I have a time of free, if I don't have money. If I have time free but I have money, I'm not reading, guys. I'm traveling and I'm shopping. And I wanna introduce my family. I have mother, and I have father, and I have sister, I have brother, and I have young sister. From my mother name is Aisyah, and my father name is Abdul Razak. So I have brother. My brother name is Mr. Sani, and my sister, the first sister name is the first sister name is Husnur, and the second sister name is Siti Fadila, and next me, Desi Ratnasari, and I have young sister name is Nur Aini. Yes, that is my family, and I think enough. So meet with me again in next my video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Okay guys, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dan